I want to give a little roll call shout out. I got all my people here tonight. I came all the way from Pennsylvania, but I'm a Harlem man because this is my home. Father's out here. My girl D is out here, Diane. Brother Lawson, my man Reggie Reg, my brother Susan Renee. My niece Talaya and
yes,
my beautiful son. I'm sorry, right here, Luther III. I asked my man Brother Earl to come here because he is my mentor. He started me in this poetry thing, and I got my first set live at the Sugar Shack. And this is my mentor. He inspires me. But of course, I left out the last person because this is unrehearsed, and I'm gonna dedicate this poem to her. So, Mom, come on up. That's right, Mom. That's right, come on, Mama. Yes. Mother's Day is coming up this weekend, and you know, I don't know what the kids are doing, but I took this time to dedicate this to my mother because it's only befitting, because I don't know if she's gonna come up to Pennsylvania to see me. So this one is called Endless Beauty. Yeah, we gonna cry with this. They say that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And I know a lot of people told you, but I'm here to tell you that I'm gonna raise your beauty high above the heavens. Close enough so God can marvel on you, one of his most beautiful creations, and nothing can erase this. Why? Because you are his magnum opus. Because he knew that when you found out that you had cancer, that you would stay praised up in your faith and never lose focus. Because with God on your side, nothing is hopeless. And when you began to transform, and Mama, when you went bald, you were my Amber Rose. And even though you don't act or sing, it's a fact that you bring more to this world every day. And I testify because I see it in your mother in loving ways. And even when your tongue turns spotty and gray, I would always plant a soft kiss against those slightly coarse lips just so I can be close enough to hear you say, my son, I love you. And when your neck and chest were scarred by those prickly incisions, you were still a vampire's vision. And no matter what your blood count, even Count Dracula said that he had to have you. And no matter what the enemy or anything of jealousy came around, nothing could grab you. Why? Because you are a child of God. So, Mama, I'm proud of you. As you continue to forge on to beat this thing called cancer, I pray every day that God gives you favorable answer to stop that chemo and to stop that mean old disease that has your family and loved ones at dis-ease. Lord, if it is your will, make that defiant giant go away. Because, Mama, remember, the battle is not yours, so never let your faith waver. I mean, look at you. 2 years later, Mama, you've been looking greater and greater. So tell me that our God ain't tremendous. And y'all better let my mama know that her beauty is truly endless.